Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials done quickly. Make sure you have managed server or admin rights because you need to authorize Lara bot. Once you have rights, open the bot invite link, select the server, and pick the bot and application command scopes. Choose only the permissions Lara requires to reduce risk. Next, create or pick a single channel to use for commands and set channel topic and permissions so Lara can post and users can interact without noise. Once Lara is in the server, configure it so it behaves predictably. Open the bot dashboard or use / commands to set the command prefix and enable /support. / commands are clearer and reduce mistakes. Then map roles. Create a bot role with only the permissions Lara needs and place it below admin to prevent accidental elevation. Also enable logs and welcome messages, and configure cooldowns so heavy commands don't spam the server. This protects performance and keeps user experience smooth. You finish by testing every core command and observing how Lara responds. Try a couple of typical commands as a moderator, then as a regular member, so you confirm permission boundaries. If a command fails or is silent, check the bot role position and audit logs. Often the bot lacks a necessary permission or is below another role. If needed, re-invite Lara with corrected scopes or adjust role hierarchy. This usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.